Let's learn our ABCs.
Hey learners, it's Mango Kids TV.
Mango Kids TV. Learn, play, smile.
Get ready to learn and have fun.
Hello, super learners!
Hello, teacher.
Today we are learning 6 amazing letters, M to R. This is the letter M. M is for monkey. M is for mango. M is for moon. M is for mountain. M is for milk. This is the letter N. N is for nest. N is for nurse. N is for notebook. N is for net. N is for night. This is the letter O.
O is for orange.
O is for octopus. O is for oven. O is for olive. This is the letter P. P is for panda. P is for pizza. P is for penguin. P is for parrot. P is for pencil. P is for pumpkin.
So cool.
This is the letter Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quilt.
Wow, a quilt.
Q is for quail. It's hopping. This is the letter R. R is for rainbow. R is for robot. R is for rocket. R is for rose.
Mango Kids TV. Learn, play, smile.
Tap subscribe and keep learning with us.